Hi guys, how are y'all doing today? I'm doing well. In today's video, we are going to be toning this hair, and I have had this toner in my inventory for a hot minute. This is the Pulp Riot High Speed Toner in Platinum Pearl. I promise you guys, my hair is a lot lighter than it looks on camera. Like, I literally bleached it to the brink of death to get it this light, and it always looks so much more yellow on camera than it does in person. I don't know what. Maybe because it's wet, I don't know. It always looks darker when it's wet, but it is so light. So I mixed it with 6 volume, and I did the roots first because they were freshly lightened. My ends are like way more porous, so I did the roots first, and I let it sit on for, I believe, about 5 minutes before I ran it through the ends. And before I ran it through the ends, I took my 6 volume and diluted it a little bit more. So the mixture I used for my roots, it was 1 part toner to 2 parts developer, I believe, and then I diluted it even more to make it more of like a 1:3 ratio or 1:4. I should say it towards the end of the video. I actually filmed this footage towards the beginning of December, and this has been a very busy month, of course, with like the holiday and everything. I've been really busy at the salon, and I haven't really had time to work on any videos, so I apologize. I've got one more. I'm posting this one New Year's Eve, I believe. So I want to wish everyone a happy New Year's while I'm on here. And I was just taking the color and doing like a vertical sectioning pattern to make sure I got everything. And of course I had to get the back. I did have a band in the back. It was a big gold band. I've fixed that since, but here it is after 5 minutes. You can see the toner has already started taking. I'm going to be honest, I don't even know what the undertones of this are other than it was called Platinum Pearl, so I just wanted to use this and just see what happened. Like, literally. I assume with it being Platinum Pearl, it has a cool, it had a cool base, but I'm not really sure if it's more purple tone, blue tone, I have no idea. I just thought it was like, would be fun to try it out. With it being on my roots for 5 minutes, I ran it through the ends here. And I think I even sprayed some porosity equalizing spray before I ran it through the ends because my ends were toast. Like, I can't even tell you guys. I literally bleached my hair to the brink of death. Like, I can't. And I know there will be plenty of people in the comments that are like, oh, your hair wasn't light enough for the toner, but if you could have seen it in person, it was so light. It was like blindingly white, you guys. Or like blindingly yellow. Alright, there's 10 minutes left. Alright, 3 minutes left. It's really starting to look purple at the root. Alright, time's up. Alright guys, what do we think? It's so pretty. I feel so pretty. I feel like I got it lightened really good because I did the lightening off camera. I get really nervous when I film color videos, even though I've been doing it for a couple years now. And I always used to be like, oh, my hair turned out so much better before I did YouTube. Why does it not ever turn out so good? And I think it's because I get like really nervous. So I do hair for a living. And I hadn't used this one before, so I like to do toners and stuff on myself first to see how they look before using them on a client. And I have a really bad memory too, so recording these videos has helped me remember. Like, if I can't remember if I like something, I can go back and be like, oh, I feel like it turned out really pretty. I don't even know what the undertones in this were. I just know that it was Platinum Pearl. I saw like a swatch of it. I've had it to try out for a while, I just haven't had the time. I feel like my hair is like blinding, it's like really pretty. It's very damaged, but that's not from the toner, that's from the bleach. I did a 1:2 ratio and I put that on my roots first where they were most yellow, and I let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I put a little bit more of the 6 volume in and to make it about a 1:3 ratio, and that's what I ran through the ends because they were really porous. And before I ran it through the ends, I also sprayed in the Matrix porosity spray, the porosity equalizing spray, to fill in the gaps because my hair is very porous from having it freshly lightened. If you wanted to know what this toner looks like, here's what it looks like. It's super pretty. Let me show you the back of my hair. I haven't seen the back, so hopefully it don't look crazy. My husband did tell me that I had like a yellow piece in the back, but I'm not perfect. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye! Hey guys, I just wanted to give a quick update on the platinum pearl color. It is not in my hair anymore, by the way. Like, this is something else. It lasted like 2 washes, I'm gonna be honest. So I had to go to the dentist the other day and get a filling. When I got back, I scrounged up some toner, and it was I had to play alchemist, y'all. I found like this much of a tube of Kenra SV, and I mixed it with Pulp Riot 6 volume, and then I added some Wella violet additive to it, and I threw it together, and it looked great in my hair. And then I went to work. My boss, she was cleaning, and she found a bottle of it's like a watercolors silver color depositing color we had at the shop, so she just gave it to me, and I washed my hair with it last night. It's very violet based, and there's a spot right here with like so yellow, it's driving me nuts. The color looks a lot better since I washed it with that, I'm gonna be honest. It's really oily because it's so dry right now, y'all. I just like, I have that Moroccan oil, and I put that, I like lathered my hair in it before I flat ironed it because I didn't want the heat to damage it too bad, because it's already pretty dry. So it's dry, and my hands are so dry. My hands, like through my knuckles, have been so dry that they're cracked and bleeding. Like, I've been having to put Aquaphor on them and put a glove on. It's been a time. It's been like, I don't know if anybody else is having those troubles, but it has been so dry right now. I don't know what's going on. Winter is coming. That's what's wrong. So I just wanted to give a quick update on that color and let y'all know that it didn't really last very long. It was pretty though while it did, but I felt like I washed it and it was like, bam, yellow, not cute. So, and it's not cute today because I missed a lot of it when I flat ironed. Oh my god, I thought I did a good job, and look at that. Anyway, so I just wanted to give that quick little update. It's been about 2 weeks, even though it doesn't look like it because my hair does not grow to save its life because I eat crap. Hope y'all have a great rest of your day, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!